Tuesday, 22nd of July, 2025. Good morning, everyone. Getting out, we're going to get that 98 van. We're going to get insurance and a tag for it. We're going to try to find 2 more tires for it. We're going to be leaving out in the Jeep. Whether we'll make it back or not, ride along and find out. It's anybody's guess whether we will make it back in the Jeep or not. When you drive stuff that's 25 plus years old, you have to improvise. So the starting procedure for the Jeep, we're going to get in here and turn the switch on. We've got to get this other back door on too. We'll get in here, let's turn the switch on. Because I think the neutral safety switch is bum. Then we have to come out here. We've taken the cover off of the starter relay. For those that have never seen the inside of a starter relay, there you are. Or any of these relays. It's just a set of contacts, electric magnet. You run that energy through it, the electricity through that coil, makes a magnet, and then closes the points, and then you get start. So yes, every time we turn this thing off, we got to pop the hood, turn the switch on, and come out here and mash that button to restart it. So y'all ride along, get you some of this wonderful adventure. Will we make it back safely or not? Okay, here we go. Let's count the deer as we go out. There's usually 8 or 10 of them. We got to get that white 98 sold. This is Tuesday, July 22nd, 2025. It is about 7:21, about 75 degrees, going to 90. I thought it was going up to about 100 this week, but I guess it's sort of cooled off with the storms. I don't know. The 2000 van should be coming out of the shop hopefully by Thursday with the ball joint blowout. We're going to get insurance and a tag on the 98 van today. We've got plugs. Plug wires are coming in. We're going to get it tuned up. We have 2 tires. We're going to try to find 2 more tires. There's 1, 2, 3 at least. They love to eat these ligustrums. 4. There's another one. Little ones, big ones. They love to eat these variegated ligustrums of Frank's. You can see they are stripped them bare. It must be one of their favorite foods because they've been hanging out up here. There are more deer around here you can shake a stick at. Okay, where were we? Anyway, right along today, see if we make it back. We just showed you the starting procedure for the Jeep. Every time we got to turn the switch on, pop the hood, go out and mash the starter relay contacts together to get it to crank. Because I think it's the neutral safety switch. I'm pretty sure I'm tired of messing with that. I think what we're going to do, I've got the wiring diagram for the switch, all the what the wires, where they go to and what they do. I'm planning on ordering a toggle switch with a button. Have the power for the toggle switch. That will power the accessories and everything, and then the button switch to start the engine. Just need to find a place to mount it. That's just what we do. I say we're trying to get this channel to where it would break even. It'd really be nice if we could just get it to break even on gas. But to do that, this channel needs to grow by a factor of a multiple of at least 8 to break even on gas, and to break even all over for everything, it needs to grow by a multiple of about 15. So like, share, subscribe. Please, whether you like, share, whether you like it or not, subscribe, like, and share. Got over 3,500 videos on there now, all sorts of titles, topics, over 100 playlists, riding, driving, night videos, rain videos, nap videos, drone videos, new home construction. Got all kind of videos. wildlife management area, dirt roads. Right up here, coming the other way, is where that deer slammed into us at full speed here and messed up the driver's side door, passenger driver's door, and the door behind us here. We replaced the driver's door. We've got the other door, the rear door, but we haven't put it on yet. That's another one of the things we need to do, along with everything else. But okay, we've got 2 shorts already made. We're gonna stop and upload them. The shorts have helped out a lot here lately. I said we had another hard rain yesterday. Another hard, bad storm. This summer and spring seems like it's been extremely wet to me. We're going to go over to Watkinsville today, and insurance opens up, I guess, open at 9. We could just call them, but I don't have my printer operating right now. We need to get them to print out the insurance certificate so we can go to the county and get a tag for it. And a lot of people come down these roads flying, so I'm sure these people appreciate it when you come down the road. Give them space and move over, and don't go 25, 30 miles an hour over the speed limit. US 129 has become just about a racetrack between Athens, Clark, and Jefferson. Right along with Ricky, see if you make it back or not. Every day is an adventure, whether you get back without having a tow truck in the adventure or not. You know, leaving I-85 back behind us back here, headed towards Athens, Clark, there's a lot of municipalities are making a lot of money along here because people, like I said, they drive like lunatics. And you've got one stretch, a short stretch, you've got Pendergrass, then you've got Jackson County, then you've got Jefferson, then you've got Arcade, then you've got Athens, Clark, and all along the way you've got the GSP, the Georgia State Patrol. And I have seen at least 3 on this road in different places at the same time, traveling from 85 over to Athens. So if you're not careful, you can get 1 ticket back here at 85. Yeah, there's a Jefferson sheriff up there now. Get 1 ticket back here at 85. So, well, you're not going to be another police around here. You could get 2 or 3 more tickets by the time you get to Athens if you decide you want to drive fast. But that's up to each individual driver. We're running 45. Well, actually, we're running closer to 50 because we got these oversized tires. And we have a chart that tells how fast you're running with different size tires versus stock tires. So we are hungry. What do y'all want to eat? We're probably going to stop up here at the Golden Pantry, get us something to eat, and then we'll work our way on over. We need to go to Walmart. We need to get an upholstery cleaner to clean these seats coming out of the 98 van. They're nice seats. We're going to keep one for Frank to have a TV seat there in the shop. I may sell the others or figure out something else to do with them, but they're very nice seats. And they're not that dirty. They're coming out of this 98 van. It was a church bus. I think the van has been taken care of very well. 185,000 miles. That's about half of what mine is. But we're going to get these seats cleaned up. We need, fabric cleaner, upholstery cleaner. We need paint. We've started sanding on the 98 van. get some primer on it, try to get all this bad paint off of it. We're going to get some rust converter paint to put on the top up there. I'm not going to mess with that top a whole lot. I'm going to scrape off the loose, maybe hit it with rough sanding, and then paint it with that rust converter. And if I can find a light colored one, if not, after it turns dark brown or black or whatever it does, we may go over it with a white primer just so it won't be, that top won't be so hot. But yeah, that van is insulated. It's a nice van. So but it's longer, be harder to get turned around. But we got a good bit left to do on it. Want to get a front bumper hitch. Want to put the rear bumper hitch on it. See, I really like my bins in my other van. I can lock them up, the contractor bins. This one won't have any way to lock stuff up on the inside. But hopefully it will at least be a substitute, if not a full replacement for our 2000 van. And I think both of them will be road ready by the end of next week. We'll start getting back out on the road, getting some more videos, and hopefully we'll be able to get out across country. And at one point, hopefully, I can run across a compatible female that would like to share in this YouTube adventure and help with planning, research, get in front of the camera, all that type of stuff. But I don't actually look for that to happen. That would be a very rare female, especially one that there's a mutual attraction with. But anyway. Well, I think we're going to turn this off, wrap it up. This is about 10.5 minutes. We've got 2 shorts, at least 2 we want to get up. So let's turn this one off, and like I said, please like, share, and subscribe. We need to watch ours. We need subscribers and views. We need to grow the channel to at least pay for gas, but hopefully we can get it to where it'll break even, where the channel will break even at least. So, this should be a wrap. Going into Athens, morning traffic. Athens has got to be almost impossible to get through and across. There's road construction everywhere, and residential construction, commercial construction. But it's the same all over Georgia. But here we go. Let's wrap it up.